What's up, everybody? How's everybody doing? I want to start off by wishing everybody a happy 4th of July. Hope everybody is having an amazing one. Stay safe, be safe, but have fun. All right, so today I haven't had it yet. First time trying it. Sonic. I can't believe I haven't tried it yet. So, yeah, I'm gonna try it for the first time today. Let's see here. All right, got some tater tots and got me I think it's the double cheeseburger. Yeah, guys, it is so damn hot outside. So everybody definitely stay hydrated. Be safe out there. Got a couple of drinks. I'm having I think it's the cherry slushy. Okay. And they got a regular Coke too. So good. So how's everybody doing? What is your guys' plans for today? You're gonna see fireworks. You're gonna see fireworks. Did they give me the right burger? Oh, it's a bacon cheeseburger. It's a bacon cheeseburger. Okay, yeah, so it's a bacon cheeseburger. Let's take a look at it. Okay, it smells good. I hope you guys can see the food, for real. Okay. These are so bomb. Okay, y'all. Cheers. Really good. Just a really good old-fashioned burger. You guys, I've been so thirsty lately. Like, all I've been wanting to do is just drink. Drink after drink after drink. Like, I haven't really had an appetite. Who is the same way? Especially in the summertime. This feels so good right now. Especially it's just really refreshing and just, just bomb. When you go to Sonic, y'all, what kind of slushies do you guys get? I know they had the cherry 8 lime. They had the cherry 8 lime, I think. Is that what it is? Cherry limeade. The hell? I know they had that one. I was gonna try that one. I don't know why I didn't get that one. Yeah, but I want to get this one instead. Because for some reason, I thought it was going to be like the cherry slushies at like 7-Eleven. For some reason, I thought it was going to be like that. So, but it's not like that. Oh, that's weird. Huh. It has this translucent. Is that the word? Translucent. The hooks. Transparent kind of look to it. Why is it see-through like that, y'all? I don't get it. I don't get it. Why is it see-through like that? Okay. I thought it was gonna be, with the red coloring and everything, but it's not like that. But it's all good. It's still really good. Really, really, really sugary. So if you're into sugary drinks, that's the drink for you. I don't got too much planned here. I think I'm just gonna kick it at home, just relax here because it's really, really, really hot to go to anywhere and see some fireworks. I don't know. Plans are kind of up in the air, so I really don't know. So who has peeped that being bamboozled challenge I did yesterday? Oh my god, if you have not checked it out, y'all, check it out. Because I did it for the culture. It was, man, I was going through it. I just kept getting bad bean after bad bean after bad bean. It was not fun. I mean, I maybe got like 2 good flavors. But I just wanted to try it out and see, what the fuss was all about. Because I know like I said, I've seen that challenge done many times. So I wanted to see personally, were they really that bad? And y'all, they were that bad. They were that bad. No lie. It was a time. Especially being the fact that I blindfolded myself, it made my senses more kicked in, into gear. So I could really, really taste the bitches. I mean, I could really taste if it was rotten milk or if it was, long clippings. It was horrible. So, like I said, if you have not seen it yet, go check it out. I'll leave the link in the description box. To be honest, I've heard a lot of things about Sonic, but not really for the foods, mostly for the the slushies. And it's a good burger. It's a good burger. But I'm not like, wow. But it's good. Good. This is a good one. You guys, I was out in the sun for a grand total of maybe 5 minutes, but man, it's like the sun drains the energy, just the heat. It drains all your energy. You could be out there like a good 1-2 minutes, and you're feeling it. Let me know in the comments below, how hot is it going to be in your area today? It's really not supposed to be that hot today. I mean, it's maybe, I think they said 96, 98, in that range. That's a regular hot day, but it's because there's no breeze, so it's just that dry ass heat. No bueno, for real. Whew. I wish I had a lot more to talk about, but I'm just straight chilling and eating with y'all today. Just me and you today. And I didn't know, because I was looking at their menu. I didn't know they had breakfast. Yeah, I just barely noticed this right now. Oh my god, the pimple. Oh wow, wow. What? How old am I? 15. I really got pimples. Pay no mind to this, y'all. The pimple. Really. That's a good Coke. I love that they use those little ices. Those are bomb. Yeah. I didn't know they had burgers. I didn't know they had breakfast at Sonic. So I'm gonna definitely be trying that for real. And I also didn't know that they had breakfast at, and I really got to try this at Chick-fil-A. I've been someone's telling me that they have the little I think they have the biscuits and their chicken biscuits. Gotta try that. So let me know if you want to see a video on that, because that'd be dope. That'd be pretty damn dope right there. These are pretty good. These were a little dryish. Just keeping it 100. But they're good. They're just regular tater tots. Why did I think of Napoleon Dynamite when I said that? Can I have some of your tater tots? Can I have some of your tater tots? Let me know if you remember that in the comments. Let me have some of your tater tots. God, Napoleon. Oh, why is this so refresh? Oh shit, I'm sticking up my nose. ASMR. Excuse me. Oh, man. So bomb, so bomb. I'm trying to think. Have I ever been to Sonic? I couldn't go my whole life without having Sonic. I'm trying to think back in my mind, like, when have I know I've had it. I've had to have it. Maybe I've had one of their drinks and just not the food. Because I would remember if I had their food. Yeah, I don't think I have. What the hell? So my overall impression of Sonic's food experience, it was pretty dope. Yeah, I would definitely recommend it. Thumbs up, bigs up to Sonic. Let them know I bigs them up. Yeah, I mean, the burger was just a regular old-fashioned grilled hamburger. You know, it wasn't like a hamburger from like a I'm so sorry. I'm so sorry. That was so rude of me. But it felt so good. Okay. What the hell? The devil's a lie today. Okay. I'm so sorry about that. Oopsie. Oop. What the hell was I saying? Okay, so my overall impression of Sonic was, yes, very good. Thumbs it up. Go try it. Just a regular hamburger. Oh my god, go try it. It's good. It's just a regular burger. I mean, it's not like Red Robin, or it doesn't have like that grilled taste to it like a Burger King, but it's good. Just a regular grilled hamburger. Slushy is very good, very good. It's very sugary, so if you're diabetic or if you just can't have sugary shit, then this is not the bitch for you, because she's sweet. She's a sweet old bitch. Very refreshing. So yeah, good, really good, and so dope that they bring your food to you like back in the old days, like back in the old days. 1940s, bitch. No. But you know, like the regular drive-in. So yeah, go check it out. Go to Sonic if you haven't been to Sonic. And if you have been to Sonic, let me know what's up. Let me know what you eat there. Let your boy know. Let's communicate. So yeah. Happy 4th of July, y'all. And remember, if you enjoyed this video, 2 thumbs it up. Comment down below, subscribe if you're not part of the Rant Fam, and also one other thing, if you haven't hit that notification bell, go smash that notification bell, just bah! So whenever I do release new videos, that you're the first to be notified. All right, Rant Fam, once again, happy 4th of July, be safe, have fun, happy Independence Day, that good shit, but I really don't celebrate today. Can get into that, or just, you know, Google it, do research. All right. All right, peeps, to next video, Much love and peace. Peace.
I don't wanna die for them to miss me. Yes, I see the things that they wishing on me. Hope I got some brothers that outlive me. They gon' tell the story, shit was different with me. God's plan, God's plan.